Which graph does not represent y as a function of x? So when I'm looking at the graphs of relationships, I know that they are a function if each x value is only associated with one y value. And that would be the case if a vertical line can pass through the graph and never touch the graph more than once. So here I have my patty paper, and on it I have drawn a line. Excuse me. So I am going to just put my graph, I'm going to put my line at the left edge of my graph and drag it along. Boop, it hit it once, boop, one time, boop, one time, boop, one time, boop, just once at a time, right? Same story here. It goes over from the left to the right. It's touching my graph only once. Oh, here it's not touching the graph at all, but that's okay. The key is that it never touches the graph of my relationship more than once at any given time. It's okay that it's not touching it at all right here. Boop, there we go. We're touching it just one place at a time. Good. So this is a function and this is a function. Let's look at choice B. So choice B, I'm going to start at the left and go to the right. My line is touching my graph once, just one time. Even here and there, these are places that people sometimes get confused about. It's still just touching the graph in one location, like right here, right? And that point is just moving across the graph, but it's still always one point. Now on choice D, right now it's touching it once, but look what happens here. Boop, boop. It's touching it in two places at once. So this is not a function because the x value, -1, is associated with both a y value of -1 and a y value of +1. So this is not a functional relationship just because of this point right here. And my patty paper makes it very easy for me to see that.